welcome to today's video. Today is where we officially start to pack the whole house up, ready to move. I move in about 10 days, just under 10 days, just under 2 weeks essentially. And yeah, there was a lot to do. I realised I have accumulated a lot of things in the house, but it's all fun stuff. I do like moving. It's just quite overwhelming, especially when I have a whole house to move again. So we're just starting off today's video. My partner was just getting me some boxes that he got me from work, so he was taping these up again, and then we go on to packing up and cleaning the kitchen.
I cannot beat you, no I won't have it, babe, not playing this game. I do not feel you, I'm not crossing that tape, it would be a shame. So listen baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading, listen carefully, let's stop this charade, stop this right, run away on this night, do whatever we like. We will see things clearly, on top of the world is what we deserve. So listen baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading, listen carefully, let's stop this charade, stop. Give you the world if it was up to me. It's not too late to be heard, so tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know, and stop this charade. No parachute, you know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue, on the edge, leaning.
So here is where I ran out of bubble wrap, so I'm just going to keep like 2 of everything out, so 2 like bowls, 2 plates, all of that. So when I get some more bubble wrap I will pack up the rest of the plates, and like the pet food and everything, like cutlery and whatnot, will be the last thing to kind of pack. going to scrub down those earlier cupboards that I emptied. So the pan cupboard, there was an empty like little cereal cupboard, and then one of the top ones that I took all the food out and merged it with the other one that's above the coffee machine. So I'm just going to wipe these all down. I just bought some like disposable packs of wipes from B&M. I know this is not environmentally friendly, but I want to use loads of different cloths and then have to wash them and then take them to the new house, so it's just easier to just wipe it down with like surface wipes.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Best that
Moving on to a different day, but I do have the same joggers on. We are basically packing up all of my clothes. So starting off with the two big wardrobes, I'm leaving some bits in it because I've got like a work Christmas party coming up, and just like a few little Christmas events over the next couple of weeks as it is December. And then all my summer clothes I'm just going to pack away into a suitcase and just have like three storage bins that you'll see, or it might be four as it works out in a minute, of just socks, underwear, and everyday like joggers, t-shirts and whatnot to last me for the next couple of weeks.
myself for losing you. For losing you. Only thought that we were foolish, not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left all over when there's just tissue. Can't forgive myself.
Moving on again, we are emptying this dressing table. The mirror has now gone. It's currently at my friend's house in Macclesfield, waiting for me to pick it up, as this would have been like one trip in itself on moving day. I do have a van that is also like coming with my my partner's dad. Like, he has a van that's helping me move, so that is great. That will be like on the day. But this mirror is, you know, it's heavy. It was quite expensive, so I just wanted to make sure that that was like already where it needs to be ahead of moving. And yeah, just packing up this bit, and then that is pretty much it for today's video. We take everything downstairs and that's it.
We used to be so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right? You're dynamite, but now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever, like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts to break the nights. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño. We used to be drunk to each other, yin and yang, we were one like that. You gave my life brighter colors, then left so fast I couldn't catch you. Yeah, it feels so hard to let you go. Wish that I could let you know I'm getting out of control. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it was somewhat entertaining, although it is basically just me packing up my whole house ahead of moving, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.
Tell me what you're